and it comes with a video.
What do they look like?
You know what, we can use this. I'll cut this up. This is just a bag that the Tom Shoes came in, and we don't really need it, I don't think.
No.
Well,
Right.
you might
Well,
even
what's
get
it,
some interesting
what's it look like?
patterns.
Does it look like, can you use paper towel?
No, it looks just like this. It's Fearless Weave. It's a different type of weave.
Is it in the box?
It was just two little pieces. They look like garbage. I'm
And
sure
bleached
they
in
threw
them.
them out.
Yeah,
We I probably threw them out. We were all carrying
No,
such
I
big
think
like.
I may have taken it from here, put them on the counter.
I wonder if maybe they got put in the napkin jar.
Oh,
No,
I don't know how they would,
'cause
I don't know how they would get thrown out.
I have
obviously.
some old handkerchiefs, would those help?
No,
And
we
they're
just cut
clean.
this up. This is no big.
They're clean.
No big deal.
Right.
This is similar weave, and this is old.
I don't know, this is kind of,
What's that?